In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts in Brevo. Whether you're trying to keep your contacts organized or need to quickly add a new list for a campaign, this guide will help you do just that in just a few minutes. Let's dive into it. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser. It doesn't matter whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, any browser will do. Now, head over to Brevo's website. If you're not familiar with the exact web address, a simple search for Brevo should lead you right where you need to be. Once you're on Brevo's homepage, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. Simply enter your email and password, and you should be good to go. If you happen to have any trouble logging in, make sure you're entering the correct details or check your internet connection. After successfully logging in, direct your attention to the Contacts section on the site. This area is your main hub for managing all things related to your contact lists. Within this section, look for the option labeled Import Contacts. Clicking on this brings you to two choices for adding your contacts. You can choose Upload a File or Copy-Paste Contact Information directly into Brevo. For those who have their contacts organized in a file already, like a CSV or Excel document, the Upload a File option is your best bet. Just navigate through your files and select the one you want. If you prefer, or if your contacts are in a different format, you can choose the Copy-Paste option. This allows you to manually paste the contact details into Brevo. Once your data is uploaded or pasted, you'll need to map this information to Brevo's contact attributes. This means you'll align the data points from your file with the corresponding categories in Brevo, such as email, name, and phone number. It's a simple drag and drop activity, and it ensures all your information matches up correctly. Next, you need to decide where these contacts will go. Brevo allows you to add contacts to specific lists. You'll see a prompt to select one or more lists for your contacts. You can create new ones or use existing lists depending on your needs. Finally, before you hit the confirmation button, take a moment to review all the import details. Double-check everything to ensure your contacts are set to be added properly. Once you're satisfied, confirm the action, and just like that, your contacts will be added to Brevo. And there you have it. Adding contacts to Brevo is efficient and straightforward. With these steps, you're well on your way to maintaining a well-organized and updated contact list. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!